Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to your English class and today we will learn about the writing skills, how to write and we will learn writing notices, an important part of writing skills and your syllabus. And this is must for everyone to know that how to write notice. First of all, we will discuss what is a notice. First of all, what we will discuss? We will discuss that what is a notice. This is must for everyone to know. Notice, it is a written or a printed piece of information. What is a notice? It is a written or a printed piece of information targeted for a specific group of people. Okay? Means this may target a specific group in a local network or aim at a wider readership through newspapers. Considering the wide readership that may be remote to the actual source of the notice, it should be complete with all important details. Whenever you write notice, it should be complete with all important details and yet be precise with only the relevant information. And what it covers? It usually covers an event, an inauguration, a function, general instructions. And when you have seen notice, I think you have seen it during your examination circulars. That notice is displayed on the board for the circular, for the trip, for the blood donation camp, for function, for sports meet like this. So I hope you all have seen that also. So now what is a notice is clear to you. It is a written or a printed piece of information targeted for a specific group of people. Keep this in mind. Okay. Now here key points while writing notice. What are the key points? The ideal length of notice is 50 words. The ideal length of notice is 50 words. So only relevant points need to be addressed. Only relevant points need to be addressed. Present a notice in proper format. Yes, students, this is must in writing skills. Whenever you are writing, either it is a notice or it is a letter or it is a message or article or report, whatever you are writing, if you are writing advertisement, so keep in mind this is must to present it in a proper format because presentation matters. Like if someone is giving you food, like anything, it is just giving bread in your hand and someone is presented it in a plate, beautifully decorated it and having the shape of sauce while having some sausages also, so it looks good. So proper presentation is must. Try to write notice in indirect speech or passive voice only. Okay, try to write notice in direct speech or passive voice only, and only no inv should be used here. It should be concise and it should be to the point. Okay, as notices have a defined purpose and only the important information is emphasized. Well organized, it should be well organized, means all details are set in a systematic way. Okay, format I have told you. Clear directions, clear direction means instructions whatever you are going to write, it should be clear and contact address should be indicated. The if there is a program, then venue and the time should be indicated for the further queries. Okay, everything should be there. Next, whenever write some things, and then I have already mentioned that this is must to mention the format. So now we are on the format of a notice. First of all, draw a box. Okay, this is must to write notice in a box. Draw a box. You can draw it with pencil or you can draw it with black pen. It should be proper, line should be proper drawn with a scale. Don't try to draw it directly with hand. It never look good. In the first line, you will mention name of organization or your school or your institution. Okay. Then in the next line, after mentioning the name of a school, in the next followed line, you will write notice, Notice. Okay. And in the next line, you will mention date of notice. Date of notice when you are writing the notice. Okay. When you are writing the notice. Clear? After mentioning the date, you can skip one line and then you will mention the headline or the title, that what you are going to mention, about what you are going to inform. It should be precise in manner. Like if I am writing a notice that I lost my water bottle or my geometry box or something else in the ground or in the canteen, then the title should be lost. If I found something of someone's lost, then I will mention found. If I am going to mention about a trip that the school is going to be organized, then I will mention trip. Okay, so like this you can mention. If I am going to mention it about a dance competition, then the topic will be dance competition or inter-house debate competition, cricket coaching camp. Okay, like this, whatever you are going to circulate, whatever the heading as per the content, you can mention. After mentioning the title, you will come to write the body. Body means the content that you are going to mention. The content. Okay, and it should be it will take 3 to 4 lines to cover. Okay, you can begin the content like this is to inform all the students, or all the students are hereby informed. Like there is a dance competition, all the students for the secondary wing, if the dance competition is for the secondary wing, then I can mention all the students of class 9 to 12 are hereby informed that the school is going to organize a inter-school dance competition on this date. Means you will mention the date in the school auditorium. Interested students can give their name to their teacher. For more details, you can contact the undersigned. Only this we need to write while writing the body of the letter. Okay? Or you can begin with this is to inform. And it is for the only 1 or 2 classes, like you are going to an orphanage and only 2 classes are going. Then you will mention all the students of class this and that. Like this you will mention. After completing the body, you will come to the signature, name and designation. Signature means the one who is writing. After that his name, his or her name, and then the designation. Okay. Now body of notice. I have already discussed about this to you, but still, what and how we will mention body of notice. What means what is the notice about, who it is addressed to, where is the event, when is the event going to happen, what, who, where and when. What to do? The instructions are written related to the notice. Whom to contact or get in touch with for more details. Okay, so these are the main points, these are the major points that you must know. Now after knowing this, we would continue the next part. Now we are going to write a notice. Okay, For this, we are having exemplary questions. You are the secretary of activities club in your school. The annual day program is to be held next month. Write a notice for the school display board in this reference. So here, what you need? The designation. You are the secretary of activity club. Annual day. The title, annual day program, is to be held next month. When? Next month. And what is the program? Annual day program. Write a notice for the school display board in this reference. So whenever you read the question, read it carefully. You will always find answer of the question is itself in the answer. You only need to read it carefully. Now here is the answer. ABC School Ahmedabad. Whenever you write ABC means when the school name is not given, then you will write ABC School Ahmedabad. You can write Delhi also. Then notice if the name or the destination is not mentioned, only in that case you will write ABC or any city. Okay. Then next line notice. After that it is of 10th January 2019. Okay. Annual day we have just taken date for an example. Annual day celebrations. The heading or the title. Now this is to inform all the students that the school's annual day celebration or the function will be held on 10 January 2019 from 11 am to 1 pm at Dev Mall. Ahmedabad's collector Dr. Vikrant Pandey will grace the occasion as chief guest. Every student need to collect their passes from their respective class teachers. Nihir is the signature, Nihir Shah is the secretary. In bracket you can write activity clubs. So this is the way to write notice. As a recapitulation, first of all come to the point, what is a notice? So it is a printed or a written piece of information targeted for a specific group of people. It covers an event, inauguration, a function and general instructions. Key points that it should be of 50 words in a proper format and always in direct or a passive voice. Then here format is must. When you will write this in your notebooks, first you will write format, after that you will write example of notice. Body of the notice, what to mention, who it is addressed to, where, when, and the instructions are related to the notice, and whom to contact or get in touch to. Then example, and this we have done. Okay, so I hope that this is clear to you. If not, no problem, I will discuss it again with you. We will do some more examples, like I am giving you one. Okay, here your school is going to observe a cleanliness week. This is the question for you. Your school is going to observe a cleanliness week. Write a notice for the information of the students, highlighting the various aspects. Okay, and sign yourself as Raghu, head boy. Clear? You will write this in your notebooks and show it to me. Send it on my number. Thank you.